Hello everyone, I'm Sonam Sandhu from PTE AASAAN, and in this lecture I'll be providing you the templates related to PTE speaking module. In one of the previous videos of mine, I have already shared the template for bar and line graph, pie and tabular chart. So basically, we simply need to use one template, and that template is enough for bar, line, pie and tabular chart. So if you simply incorporate this template, you can answer any bar, line, pie, tabular chart, any of these four or all four charts you can answer easily with the help of this one. If you want to go through the same video in which I have explained you the template related to bar and line graph, kindly click on the link above. Okay, just watch this after this video. Now, in this video, we are going to focus on a random image, map, or a picture. Often we receive questions like such in which we get a random image or maybe any picture. So what exactly do we need to do in a case like such? So first of all, I'm going to show you the template here, and later on I'll share with you the solved answer. So let's look at the template. Here the total template is of somewhere around 80 to 90 words. Okay. Basically what happens whenever we get bar line graph, basically they describe image question, we simply get 25 seconds to analyze the question. So in that 25-second span, you simply have to look at the image. After looking at the image, you have to understand it, and then you need to decide what to speak in the given time. So you get 40 seconds to speak up the text. Okay, now when you have to speak up the summary or the answer, you need to have the content, and it's quite difficult to prepare the whole content in 25 seconds. So what we have to do here, we'll simply use the template in order to speak effectively in the 40 seconds time span. Let's look at the template now. The given image is a map of, will simply tell what exactly the image is of. Then the map shows a number of changes that took place as well as different regions which include this. So we are going to say the map shows a number of changes that took place as well as different regions which include there, you are going to see different regions in a map. So you can say as well as different regions which include it varies from map to map. I'll show you the solved answer just after the completion of this template part, and then you'll get to know how to paraphrase or how to modify this particular template a little bit as per the demand of the question as well. So stay tuned until the end of the video in order to get the full out of this video, or in order to get 100% benefit out of this video. Now here we have the next sentence. It can be clearly seen that dash on the top. A particular thing is on the top. So we'll explain what is on the top. Then we'll say whereas dash at the bottom. Then whereas what? Whereas something at the bottom. Whatever is at the top, you can explain that, and whatever is at the bottom, you're going to tell that. Now coming to the left side. On the left side, we can notice this. In addition, on the right side, we can observe this. However, in the background, dash can be seen. Up here, I have used a passive structure. However, in the background, dash can be seen. Last but not least, up here we are going to write there are a number of colors in this picture, such as this. If you find so many colors, you can simply use this particular sentence. Last, overall, the map, the picture, whatever you want to say, the image provides all the crucial details related to the given area, or is quite knowledgeable, provided all the crucial details. So whatever you want to write, you can write like such whenever you get map or a picture. So basically any random image. It can be image of a map, it can be a random image in which patients are in the hospital, or an image in which the teacher is instructing the learners, an image in which a meeting is going on in the conference hall. It can be anything. So please take care of this. Now let us proceed further. Now I'll show you the solved answer of the same. And guys, trust me, when you're going to incorporate the same template in the describe image part of PTE speaking, you'll easily score 75 plus in that particular task. even 80 plus. You have to modify it a little bit as per the demand of the question. That's basically something you have to do on your own. Otherwise, everything's ready for you. I'm already providing you 88 words, 91 exactly, but there are blanks in between. So somewhere around 80 words I'm providing you. Okay, out of these 80 words, what can simply be done? When I'm providing you around 80 words, you can skip some words out of this and you're going to add some words. So you have to speak up in 40 seconds. Try to speak up as much as you can and do not forget to conclude. Please do not forget to use this line at the end. It is important to conclude whatever you have mentioned from the beginning. So it is important. Now let us look at the solved image. So as you all can see the solved question here, let's look at the image first. Here in this image, it is clearly visible that the patients are waiting in the waiting hall of the reception area in a hospital. It's clearly visible. There are so many nurses here, and you can see one of the patients, one of the girls, Hannah, she's coughing, she's with her mother. The other one is vomiting, one is coming with the support of other person. So here we can clearly look at the image and see what's happening. Now what exactly do we need to do whenever we get any random image? We, instead of telling the directions north, south, east, west, it's better you tell them that it is on the top, at the bottom, on the left, on the right. If it's a proper map, then you can say north side, south side, west side and east side. But if it's an image like such, on the top, at the bottom, use terms like such. If we look at the answer now, you'll get to know that I have used the whole template which I have just taught you. Okay. Now with the help of the template, I have simply filled in the blank and it was very easy. Now, even if we look at the total number of words, the number of words is 128 and we can easily speak up 128 words in around 40 seconds. Now, whatever you have written here, it is not a task where you are going to write. So you have to speak up, and when you speak, obviously you can miss one or two sentences as well. So our main motive is to finish the whole part in 40 seconds because you'll be given only 40 seconds. Okay? Trust me, guys, PTE is quite easy. PTE आसान है. You simply need to follow the right strategy for the right question type. Now, for every question, you cannot use the templates. For example, writing part, summarize written text. There, if you use the template, you are going to lose your scores. So in the coming video, I'll definitely share the template of the summarize written text, not the template, because we cannot use the template. There we have to simply write the summary in one long sentence. If you want that video, kindly let me know in the comment section, ma'am. Let us know what exactly is there in the PT writing summarize written text. So simply write, please provide answer for summarize written text, and I'll share that video with you very soon. Now let us look at the answer. The given image represents a scene in the hospital. So it is clearly visible that the given image represents. What is it presenting? It is presenting a scene in the hospital. The picture shows a number of changes that took place in the waiting area of the hospital. So we can clearly say that the picture shows the number of changes that took place in the waiting area of the hospital. That's what is visible, a number of changes. Now, it can be clearly seen that two patients are inquiring at the reception desk on the top. So, if we look here, there are two patients here and they are inquiring at the reception desk of the hall, okay, of the hospital. Now, next, on the top it is, whereas a girl is coughing at the bottom. Here we can see a girl accompanying her mother is coughing at the bottom. Okay? This is what is happening. A girl accompanying her mother, as in she's with her mother. A girl accompanying her mother is coughing at the bottom. Now this we have explained top and bottom. Now on the left side. What is happening on the left side? Full stop. On the left side, we can notice that an injured person being supported by another man is approaching the waiting desk. So what is happening? Injured person being supported by another man is approaching the waiting desk. Okay. So this is what is happening on the left side. Last but not the least. Okay. In addition, on the right side, a nurse is talking to one patient. A nurse is talking to one patient, or she's filling up the form for a patient. Okay. However, in the background, many sad faces due to pain can be seen. So here we can clearly see that there are many sad faces due to pain can be seen. There are a number of colors in this picture. If you want, you can actually skip this particular part. Yes, we can see a number of colors, but we have already explained a lot in this. So we can skip that line if you want to. Last but not the least, overall, the picture provides all the crucial details related to the given area. So this is what happened. This is the way we need to speak up. You can simply use the template, fill in the blanks, and then answer as per the demand of the question. Answer exactly what is there in the image. Look at the image carefully and identify the main features. That is the most important tip of this particular task. So that's all for PT speaking. Any random image or any diagram, you can simply use this template. So use this template and let me know in the comment section whether the template is beneficial or not. And if you're not able to understand a particular thing, simply let me know in the comment section. I'll shoot that particular part again. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video of mine. Bye bye.